Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Isomac espresso machine, and this was brought in because power wasn't making it to the unit. And what we had found is that power was making it to the main power switch, but not exiting when you flipped it. So we replaced that and everything is fine. Heating up power to the machine, and let's test it. Alright, looking good, pouring a little fast, so you can probably tighten up the grind. But, still good. We'll stop there at about 2 ounces. And let's do some hot water. Flip the switch, turn this. There we go. Hot water. We'll stop that and let's turn on the steam wand. We'll give it a moment to increase heat and purge water from the wand. Looking good. All right. There it is. Isomac powered up and working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.